Hello, my dear students. Here I am back again with the part 2 of our English chapter Learn Yoga from Animals. Hope you all practiced the two asana. Are you ready to proceed ahead? So, without wasting time, let us begin. The third one we have is the Marjarya asana. It is a very popular cat pose. This too is a simple asana for beginners that stretches the muscles of the abdomen and the back. Children, Marjar asana should be a part of your morning yoga routine as it will gently stretch your muscles and get rid of any body aches. Children, the video that is played may appear fast for you, but remember, you are supposed to do this asana step by step and very slowly and carefully, as I could manage only this video to give you an example. Let us study the steps to perform this asana. Start on your hands and knees so that your back is raised in a tabletop position. Make sure that your knees are positioned directly below your hips. Your wrists, elbows, and shoulders should be in line and perpendicular to the floor. Center your head in a neutral position with your eyes looking at the floor. As you exhale, smoothly arch your spine upwards towards the ceiling. Make sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Release your head toward the floor, but don't force your chin to your chest. Inhale and come back to the neutral tabletop position on your hands and knees. To start with, you can repeat the process 6 times. Number 4, Garudasana or the eagle pose. This asana enhances your body's ability to balance itself. It also strengthens the leg muscles and improves the flexibility of the joints by loosening the joint muscles. Let us study the steps to perform Garudasana. Number 1. Stand straight on both feet. Raise the right leg and wrap it around the left leg. The right thigh should be over the left thigh, and the right feet should touch the calf muscles from behind. Similarly, wrap the right hand around the left hand. Now, place the palms together to resemble the beak of an eagle. Try to maintain the balance and slowly bend the left leg and lower the body until right toes touch the ground. Try to maintain in this pose for as long as you can maintain the balance. After this asana, relax for some time before you repeat the process. Ustrasana or camel pose. Children, this asana strengthens the back, opens the shoulders, chest and quadriceps. Children, what are quadriceps? The large muscle at the front of the thigh which is divided into 4 distinct portions and acts to extend the leg. Children, this yoga also boosts energy and mood. This yoga posture adds flexibility and strength to the body and also helps in improving digestion. Let us study the steps to perform Ustrasana or camel pose. Kneel on the yoga mat and place your hands on the hips. Your knees should be in line with the shoulders and the sole of your feet should be facing the ceiling. As you inhale, draw in your tailbone towards the pubis as if being pulled from the navel. Simultaneously, arch your back and slide your palms over your feet till the arms are straight. Do not strain or flex your neck, but keep it in a neutral position. Stay in this posture for a couple of breaths. Breathe out and slowly come back to the initial pose. Draw your hands and bring them back to your hips as you straighten up. Note, You may place a cushion below your knees to ease your way into the pose. With this, we come to an end of our today's topic. So let us quickly revise what we studied. Children, in total we studied 5 different asana. Bhujanga asana, that is the cobra pose. Second, Simhasana, that is the lion pose. Number 3, Marjaryasana, that is the cat pose. Number 4, Garudasana, that is eagle pose. Number 5, Ustrasana, that is the camel pose. To add on, let us have a look at few more poses. Vrichikasana, that is the scorpion pose. It benefits the shoulder. Adho Mukho Savasana, that is downward facing dog. It benefits leg and arm. Next is Manduk Asana, that is the frog pose. It benefits abdomen. Children, follow the steps and do perform the asanas. And also see that you read the chapter. Thank you and take care.